Manufacturing area is a field on ART which replaces the Prodline field in the Miscellaneous tab. Manufacturing area is a way to logically group different products. It is not about a physical manufacturing area, but it is rather a logical way to group various articles together. Products can be filtered by this field in various applications, such as production work order and prod plan. It is also used to set the lead time in production. Having manufacturing area set on a product is not mandatory to be able to create a production work order for it. Prodline was mandatory, but manufacturing area is not. With Prodline, you had to have a corresponding supplier set up for the goods reception from the production work order. After the release of manufacturing area, however, all production work orders will from now on have one default supplier. So the default currency in your system will be the currency for your production work order and also for the following goods reception. Here we are in Rambase. To get to the application for manufacturing areas, simply type MAA in the program field and press enter. At the left side, we have an overview over the different manufacturing areas and their status. To the right, we have a more detailed view of the currently selected area with description and a list with what products has this manufacturing area set. Select Create New Manufacturing Area to create a new one. Write the name and press Create. The new area will be in status 1, that is pending registration. You have the possibility to enter a description in this text field here. To activate the area, select Operations in the context menu and press Activate. It is now in status 4 and is active. From the area, you can access the different articles which has that area set. And under the tab Miscellaneous, we can find the field here. Also, we can go to the ART application, and here we can filter based on the different manufacturing areas. The same goes for PRODPLAN. Here we can filter on the manufacturing areas. And the same goes for the production work order application.